The Spirit 2 gas grill was uniquely designed with its fun new colors and innovative iGrill 3 compatibility. The Spirit 2 gas grill comes equipped with the Weber GS4 grilling system. The GS4 grilling system is composed of 4 key components: infinity ignition, burners, flavorizer bars, and grease management system. These 4 components work together to ensure that every aspect of the grilling experience is easy and reliable. The Spirit 2 gas grill is offered in 2 and 3 burner models. The Spirit 2 is compatible with the iGrill 3, an app-connected thermometer that tracks the internal temperature of your food. Simply download the free Weber iGrill app and connect your device to the iGrill. Once your food reaches the desired temperature, an alert will sound on your mobile device telling you that it's time to remove your food from the grill. Porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates retain heat for better sear marks and are easy to clean with a stainless steel grill brush. The sleek open cart design provides additional room and accessibility for grilling tools and accessories. By mounting the gas tank to the outside of the grill, the tank is easier to take on and off and allows you to check the fuel gauge to see how much fuel is left. All Spirit 2 gas grills feature a left side table that conveniently folds down for smaller spaces. Best of all, the Spirit 2 comes with a 10-year, 100% Weber guarantee warranty. With this warranty, every single component of the grill is protected for 10 years. It's the warranty that won't let you down. Whether this is your first, second, or third grill, you're a dedicated barbecue enthusiast, or just starting out, the Spirit 2 gas grill is guaranteed to provide you with years of grilling success and great memories.
The new Charbroil Advantage 2-burner gas grill is the perfect choice if you want to get cooking outside but don't need a big grill. The cooktop has the room to feed your family, and the compact design will fit into even the smallest spaces. Wide side shelves give you extra workspace and fold down when not in use, and an enclosed cabinet lets you store all your cookout essentials. We make the grilling experience easy and reliable with an electronic ignition to make startup a snap. Top-ported burners give you even heat and a wide temperature range so you can cook with confidence. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates retain heat for perfect sear marks and are easy to clean. There's a warming rack to let you shuffle the deck and a lid-mounted temperature gauge so you always know what's going on under the hood. The Advantage series comes equipped with a gear track system to attach accessories like tool hooks and condiment baskets. Plus, you get peace of mind with a 5-year burner warranty. At Charbroil, we've been dedicated to outdoor cooking innovation since 1948. Along the way, we've listened to you and learned about the features you need to grill with confidence. The new Charbroil Advantage series delivers all the features you need to bring the flavor to your next cookout. Available exclusively at Lowe's. The Charbroil 2-burner is a solid entry to the world of gas grilling goodness. We've been dedicated to outdoor cooking innovation since 1948. Along the way, we've listened to you and learned about the features you need to start grilling with confidence. One-touch startups, even heat from 2 burners, plenty of room on the cooktop, easy to clean porcelain-coated cooking grates, large side shelves complete with tool hooks, 2 wheels to make it easy to move and store, and peace of mind with a 5-year burner warranty. Charbroil gas grills deliver all the features you need to bring the flavor to your next cookout.
You choose how to start the day. Griddle hotcakes with sizzling bacon and eggs. Game-changing meals ready for wherever the adventure takes you. Fire up the grill and sear with red-hot cast iron. Go anywhere and feast like a king. You deserve a meal from a chef. Turn up the heat and take the party home with a savory dish from your artisan oven. Spark your outdoor cooking from ordinary to extraordinary. Why? Because you can. From backcountry to back patio. This is the way to cook outdoors.
The Cast Series by Huntington. Proudly made in North America, these quality gas grills are built for performance, dependability, and great value. What sets Huntington apart from its rivals is the cast aluminum cookbox. Cast aluminum is the best for retaining the heat and keeping it inside the cookbox. This means the heat will circulate evenly to efficiently cook your food. Another advantage is that the cookbox won't rust. It's the durability and the dependability of cast aluminum. The cookbox also comes with a 10-year warranty. This gives you peace of mind and the confidence to keep you grilling for many years to come. Now let's take a look at other great features on the cast series. These cast models come with a quality steel side-ported burner. This burner plays a key role in providing efficient heat through more than 100 ports. The steel cooking system provides even heat distribution and protects the burners. All cast models come with durable cooking grids that are easy to clean and easy to maintain. Linear flow valves control the heat, allowing you to set your grill to the right temperature. Some select models come with a convenient 10,000 BTU side burner. Create mouth-watering side dishes, soups, or sauces while you grill. Made from quality North American steel, the rigid cart provides space to store a propane tank and comes with 2 large crack-proof wheels for easy maneuverability. All cast models have either painted steel or resin side shelves with tool hooks to keep all of your grilling essentials close at hand. All steel components in the cast series are zinc coated and further protected by an epoxy paint that is baked on through a powder coat process. This premium triple coat process provides superior rust protection. The Cast Series by Huntington. Quality North American made gas grills, built for performance, dependability, and great value.